So, as I already told you, this column refers to restaurants, whichever restaurants are there in Zomato, and this is corresponding to whether online order facility is there or not. Okay, and this is corresponding to the thing that whether book table facility is there or not, and this is regarding rating out of 5. Out of 5, which which restaurants is getting how much rating? That is actually shown in this particular column. And in this column, it shows votes, number of votes from 0 to 1065, right? So regarding cuisines, many types of cuisines are there: North Indian dish, South Indian, continental, Italian, Chinese. Okay, lot of cuisines are there in a single restaurants. Also, you can find different cuisines. Okay, and in case of cost, cost ranges from 40 to some 6,000. Okay, this is the cost of 2 people. If 2 people are coming to the this restaurant, so how much is the cost regarding that? Okay, the next thing is rest type. Rest type means restaurant type. There are 7 types of restaurants. Okay, you can see over here: cafe, delivery, pubs and bars, dine out. Those many restaurants are there. Okay, so these are different categories of restaurants. Next one is regarding location, in which cities they are located: BTM, Church Street, Kalyan Nagar, like that. Okay, actually, location should be the correct name for the column header. You can rename it like location. Okay, if somehow you feel that the column header is not appropriate, you can change it. Okay, location is much better because most of them are located in Bangalore city. So we can't say it as city, right? Is it clear? About data set, you are clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us make some charts like this is the bar chart. Okay. So here, if you want regarding different restaurants regarding different restaurants, if you want to check whether what is the cost. Okay, so in that case, restaurant name should come at the bottom, right? That means x-axis. So put this restaurant in x-axis. Okay, and cost should come along y-axis. So put this cost in y-axis. Okay, so since many restaurants are there, that's why you can slide it like this. Okay, if you want to change the variable, you can do that thing. Instead of restaurant, if you want to take any other variable like rest type. Okay, so this is the case. 7 restaurant types are there. Okay, corresponding to that, which one is having the highest cost, you can see over here. Delivery is having the highest cost. Most probably delivery may be highest in count also. Let us check that one too. Okay, let us take a horizontal chart and let us check whether which type is repeated how many number of times. So here you can see delivery type of restaurants is most, many of the restaurants are of delivery type. Okay, so that's why that is actually affecting this cost. Okay, that is the thing. Now, if you want to change this, whatever things are there, as I already told you, go to format. Okay, you have to select this visual. Then only you can make the changes. Go to x-axis, increase its size so that it is quite visible to you. Okay. Right now, regarding colors, you can make your, whatever colors you want to choose, you can do that. Okay. And regarding title, title is very small and it is not that much visible. If you want to change the title, you can change it. Like you can write types of restaurants, right? Types.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we create, like, for example, in this one, we have cost versus the types of restaurants.
Yes,
But
yes, sure. Whatever
in case,
changes you want, you can do that. What you want to say? Cost
no,
versus,
can we, yeah, we have cost versus types of restaurants in this particular chart now.
yes,
But if we want to include like cost versus rating, can we do it in the same chart? Like
cost
in the same
versus
slide?
rating.
Yeah, in the same one. Can we do that?
We can try that. Okay, if you want rating in x-axis.
Yeah.
Okay, so corresponding to different rating, you can check out what is the cost.
Okay, but if you want to make it two individual charts, should we do it on page 2 or can it be done in the same screen?
In the same
Like
page,
in the,
see, while making the dashboard, you can minimize
yeah.
it like this and you can include other
Okay.
charts,
Okay, ma'am.
isn't it? You can take
Yeah.
another chart also, like I'm taking this pie chart, okay?
Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
I want to ask
yes, what you want to ask?
how many chart we have to take for the task?
Any number of chart, it depends upon the task that you are having.
Okay.
If somehow
Okay, I
you
got
are
it.
making charts and if you are, putting each and everything within the single page and it is not at all visible. So in that case, you can take another page also to make the next dashboard part. No issues
Okay,
with
it
that.
depends on a data set, but which data set we are
Like
working
each and everything should be clearly visible. Otherwise, there is no use of it,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
See, if in this particular page you are able to include everything that is required in the project, then well and good. But if you are not able to include, then don't load it with a lot of charts. You can use next page, right?
Yeah, because
Ma'am,
the task
when we
one that we got, it's very small data set actually.
See, for one page you can take one. For one sheet you take one page. For other sheet you take another page. Like that also you can do. Na? There are three different things.
Yeah,
If you
yeah.
want to
I know.
include
Yeah,
everything in the
I got it.
single page, that also can be done. It is 6 only in number. Okay,
Yeah.
that also you
Ma'am,
can.
and when we
But
try
it should
adding
be
the
clearly
address,
visible. That is the case.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
ma'am, when we tried adding the address, like the map is opening.
Once again, I will tell you how to make the map. If
Okay.
you are having any doubt.
Okay.
Okay. So we can put many maps, many charts in the same page itself. That's our wish. We can do as per our requirement. Okay, so here what I'm doing, I'm taking this restaurant type. Okay, this is legend. Okay, whatever is there, this is legend. Okay. Right, now I'm taking this rating over values. Okay, according to that, it is coming. Now, guys, tell me, if you are taking sum of rating, that is appropriate, or you should take average. Which one is more appropriate?
Average.
Average, correct. So right now, by default, it is sum. Okay, when you will click over it, when you will do right click over this values rating, okay, you can find that by default it is sum. You have to choose average only. Okay, now you can see the change in the graph. Okay. Earlier it was sum. So in that case, what was the issue? See, I'm doing right click, sum. Delivery is having maximum rating, right? But the problem is that actually delivery is highest in number. Like majority of restaurants are delivery type. So that's why the sum is huge. But actual case is what we should always take the average. Then only we can find which type of restaurant is performing the best. Okay, so when we are choosing this average, okay, you can see the change. Now you can see the change, right? Pubs and bars is having the highest rating. Okay, isn't it? So let us alter them one by one. Okay, right now this title is little bit, not that visible. If you want to change it, go to format, okay, and corresponding to x-axis, the title, I have made it little big so that it is visible to you. Now, if you want to change the color, you can go for that. You can, if you want to make it, black is okay. If you want to make it bold, you can do that thing also. If you want to make it italic, underline anything that you want, you can do according to it. Okay. Similarly, in case of y-axis also, since these values are very small, so that thing also you can change. Okay, now it is quite visible. Regarding title also, same changes you can make. Rest of the beautification process you can do later. Okay. So this is cost versus type of restaurants. It's not type, right? Okay, let us make it type. Okay, instead of rating, let us take cost. Oh, sorry. Should come here and cost should come here. Yeah. If you want average cost, that also you can do. Right click over there, take average. Okay, now drinks and nightlife is having the average highest cost. Right. Here, if you want to make other changes, like if you want to change the color of bars, as I already told you, you can do that thing. Okay, go to columns, columns. Before that, grid lines is there, right? Whoever who have missed yesterday's session, I want to tell them there is grid lines. Okay, these are the horizontal lines. They are in dotted form. You can make it solid also. Now they are little bit visible, but its color is different. It is green color. You can make it black or any other dark color also. Okay, that is what is grid lines. Now regarding zoom slider, if you are putting it on, okay, and if you are dragging it like this, you can see the minute changes also. Right. And regarding the columns, if you want to change the color of columns, go to default. Default is blue in color, right? If you want to change any other color by default, you can do that. Like violet color, you can choose. If you want to change color of each and every column, make this on. Okay. Now you can change them one by one. Okay. Like this. Whatever colors you want, you can choose them. If it is not there in this panel list, then you can go to more colors and you can choose different colors according to your wish. Right? Okay. So this is how you can change the color of those columns. Okay. So regarding the label, different columns in the bars, you don't know which bar is having how much value. You can approximate it like with the help of this 1500, you can approximate it without moving your cursor over there. You can approximate it is something like 1400, something like that. When you will move your cursor over there, you can find its exact value. But if you want to see each and every column is having how much value, in that case, you should make this data labels on. Okay, now it is visible, like which particular column in or which particular bar is having how much value. Okay, now regarding data labels also, yeah.
Ma'am, it always showing different filters according to the that we are choosing what type of chart. Am I right?
Which filter you are asking?
Like there is some filters in the left side of
Filters that will come
Power
later.
BI dashboard.
Right now in this filter, there is nothing. No data field is there. Okay, we will use filter later.
Labels, it's labels.
Labels, these are labels, right? What
Yeah.
is the problem? I mean, I'm not able to understand what is your doubt.
Ma'am, I am talking about the visualization. Like if you choose pie chart
Yes,
and it show the another format in
it will show the same value only.
legend.
It will show you same values only. Okay. Here it will show you percentage also. Okay, let us see. This is average rating with respect to restaurant, right? Now, what I'm going to do here itself, I'm going to make this instead of average cost. If I'm taking
I was
average
talking about
rating,
that.
Yeah,
build visuals. I am talking about that
yeah.
because it show always different because it depend on the chart, what type of chart we are choosing.
It is approximating that value. Labels are approximating
Yeah,
that value, but when you will move the cursor over there, it is showing the exact value, that is 3.65.
suppose we are choosing a pie chart, then it not showing x-axis and y-axis because there is no need of x-axis and y-axis.
Their
It's always needed
approximation
bar.
is not then there you will get the exact thing.
That's what I
Yes,
am
yes, correct.
asking.
You are right. You are right.
Quite different.
Yeah, better to go with a pie chart or donut chart. That will give you more accurate results.
It always showing different according to the chart that we are choosing.
Yes, yes. Right now it is showing the exact value, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. In case of bar chart, it is doing somewhat approximation. It is not showing the entirely wrong value, but it is choosing the approximation term. Okay. Is it okay?
I got
Guys,
you.
this is
Ma'am,
legend.
I have a
Yes.
doubt.
Yes.
Uh, I have a doubt
Yeah,
that
this is it.
to show the ratings of the hotel above 3 means what should we do, ma'am?
Ratings.
To see the ratings above 3, not 1 or not below 2, you should show the ratings of the hotel above 3 means what should we do?
About 3.
Above 3, ma'am. The rating should be above 3.
Above
3,
3.
4 and 5.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
ma'am.
In that case, you should use this filter. Filter is used for restricting those values and all.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
So suppose ratings you want to put over there. We will discuss about it later, like filters. I'm choosing basic itself. Okay. And if you are interested only in above 3 values, you can choose them. Now it is doing all the calculation for above 3 only.